Rupa and Rupakanda. Under Rupa there are two meanings.
Rupa.
A. This is Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa. Okay, B. Metta Aggregate. Rupakanda, yes. Metta Aggregate. Rupakanda. This is the two words. Rupa is classified into two, Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa, and Rupakanda. Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa. Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa, here Rupa means the term is Rupa is used, but not meanings metta. Term is Rupa, meanings not metta here, nature. Own nature. Piya Rupa, there is it has a lovable or enjoyable. Sada Rupa means enjoyable, lovable in nature. According to nature, they are lovable and enjoyable. That is one meaning, Rupa. Another meaning is Rupakanda. So, in Buddha's teaching, Rupa is two meanings. One is nature, the other is Rupakanda, metta. The other is metta. In that equation, all types of Rupas are Rupakanda. What do you say? There are Rupas. All types of Rupas can be called Rupakanda. Number A, first division A, and the second B, another Rupa. Rupas are two, A, B. A cannot be called Rupakanda. A, Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa, just Rupa, cannot be called Rupakanda because they are not metta aggregate. They are not a metta, only lovable nature and enjoyable nature. Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa. Sada Rupa is enjoyable. Piya is a lovable things, enjoyable things. You see, some are lovable things, enjoyable things, some belong to metta, some are not belong to metta. You see, pleasant things, some are, you see, some of mine also pleasant things, lovable. So my idea is lovable, so like that, you see. All lovable things cannot be called metta. The Buddha sometimes said, Piya Rupam, Sada Rupam. Where is the Dana, where craving arises? In Suttanta, the Buddha said, where craving arises? Craving arises depending on lovable things, desirable things, enjoyable things. That is in Pali called Piya Rupam, Sada Rupam. All types of Piya Rupa, Sada Rupas are not metta aggregate. Not metta. That is question and answer. To clarify. So, question is, all types, there are Rupas. All types of Rupas belong to Rupakanda. Answer is no. Answer is no. Piya Rupa, Sada Rupa is just a Rupa, not Rupakanda. Rupakanda is both Rupa and Rupakanda. Question and answer in this. So here, ladies will give the answer. Yeah. You see, page number 64. You can find page number 64. And positive, you see, it is Rupa. Is it a metta aggregate? You see, question and answer. Rupa, Rupakanda. Answer is a gift. Lovable Rupa and pleasant Rupas are Rupa, but not metta aggregate. All type of, you see, sometimes the jhana, you see, when we attain jhana data, mind powers, when we attain the jhana, abhina, when we practice meditation, concentration, knowledge, these knowledges are, you see, lovable things. People are less. My knowledge is very high, very good, My concentration is very good, you see, because of things. My mind is very good, my idea is nice, excellent, because of things in this case. These are called Piya Rupa. Lovable things, pleasant things, enjoyable things. One attend, one practice successfully samatha meditation, he attained the jhana. He enjoyed with the jhana. He satisfied with the jhana. He loved his jhana. Jhana attainment. One attained Sotapatti Mega in Phala. He loved his attainment. Sotapanna, Sakanagami, Anagami. He loved their attainment. Actually, he is referring to mostly to Monday state. Lokiya. Monday states are lovable. Some of Monday states are lovable and pleasant, pleasantable, enjoyable. These are called Piya Rupa, Sata Rupa. These two words are always chosen together, Piya Rupa, Sata Rupa. All lovable things are not only metta. Some lovable things belong to mind. Therefore, the answer, not all type of rupas are rupakhanda. Not all type of rupas are rupakhanda. So, in Pali it is a rupa rupakhandoti, piya rupam, sata rupam, rupam na rupakhanda. Rupakhanda rupam cheva rupakhanda cha. In Pali it is explained in this. Piya rupam, sata rupam, rupam. This is the lovable things can be called rupa, but cannot be called rupakhanda. Cannot be called rupakhanda. Because they are, you see, not belong to metta. If it can be called rupa, cannot be called rupakhanda.